Alright, so listen. I got an exhaust leak. I'm trying to fix it, but I need to figure out what type of exhaust leak it is. So let me try to get under this car. This car is already very low as it is, so I don't know how I'm gonna get under it to see what a leak is. But let me try to see. Can't really see anything. What we're gonna have to do is just gonna have to buy piping, 2.5 inch piping, and see if that's the AC leaking as normal, dripping water. Actually, light needs to be welded. Alright, so here we are underneath the car. You see I got it up on 4 jack stands. See all 4 jack stands? This is the exhaust leak. The entire piping broke, cracked off. You see that? So now I gotta figure it out. If I'm gonna take the whole exhaust off, right? But these freaking shops and these welders. So I'm in Yonkers, New York, and these people, they say you need something welded. $250. What? All you're doing is fucking welding. I took the whole thing off myself. You're not doing any labor except for just the weld. So, you know, I gotta deal with that now. I don't wanna just put a clamp on it. That may not be enough. This whole exhaust is one piece from the actually, is it even from the cat back? It's not. It's like from the header's back. From the header back, it's all one piece. This entire exhaust. A lot of welding. You can't really see the rest of it, but yeah, will you? All right.